Hi everyone, welcome to Smart String Teacher, and today I'm going to give you more tips on bookmarking to help you achieve more in less time. So today what I'm going to show you is some more bookmarking tips to help you organize all the tabs and pages that you always have to have open to teach online class. In the last video, I showed you how to create these folders to bookmark everything you need for your classes. Which has been working really, really well for me. I love it. But as you can see, it's getting a little unwieldy. So I'm going to show you a couple tips on how to organize them. So the first thing is, let's go back into our bookmark manager. And one of the things that you can do is take these all these these links that you've saved and organize them by just dragging them. So I'm going to put all my forms together. I'll put all my spreadsheets or my lists together, and I'll put all my drive links together, and so on. And these ones seem to be okay. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. Now, there's a bunch of links that I have in both my classes because they're common to both classes. And so now I've decided I'm going to put those links in a separate folder. So how you create a new folder is you go up here, add new folder. Oh, sorry. First, I want to click on the bookmarks bar to make sure that the folder is going onto the bookmarks bar. Add new folder. And I'm just going to call this other links for now. Save. And then all I have to do is open up, say this one, and then drag everything I want into other links. So I'm going to drag all these that really aren't specific to this class, but I just put them there. Maybe even that one, the thought of the day reflection, that I use the same one for all the classes. So my class lists can go in there, my inventory can go in there, my track sheet can go in there, all these drive links can go in there, and the web attendance can go in there, as well as my Kahoot and Soundtrap. Okay, so, and then the rest of them are specific to this class. I can just leave them there. Wow, that really got cleaned up. Now I'm going to go into the grade 9 class and throw in some more stuff that, well, let me organize this first too. And that can go in there. And these are common. I think they'll just eliminate if there's a duplicate tab, it'll just consolidate into one tab. That and the Zoom link and the web attendance and Soundtrap and my drive. All right, that is looking better. Oh no, that's specific. Okay, so now I can go into here and organize it some more if I need to. Great. And yeah, it did duplicate actually some links, so I'm going to delete those. I don't need 2 of those. I don't need 2 of those. I don't need 3 Soundtrap links. And okay, so another tip is I have separate links to the Google Drive folders that I use the most or that I want to access quickly. So if you find yourself always going to Google Drive and digging through folders and finding the same thing over and over again, just bookmark it. Okay, it makes life so much easier. So that's another tip. So now, as you can see, I've organized all this into the other links, and it should show up now under other links on my bookmark bar. So now I can easily access them. And of course, if this starts getting unwieldy, then I can further separate it into another folder. Now I want to show you one more tip that will really help if you are using Google Classroom. So what you might have done when you created your Google Classroom link is you might have linked to the stream, which is really annoying because then you have to click on classwork to get to the classwork. So big tip is make sure that you're on the classwork page before you create the link to the class. And that way, when you do go to that link, it will go straight to the classwork and bypass the stream. Now, I know I said one more tip already, but here is just one more tip, okay, that you need to know. So if you find that you're actually opening everything in your folder every single time, here's a quick way to get them all open. Now, in the previous video, I showed you how to open them one by one, but what you can do is you can right click on this and open all 13 at the same time, or open them all in a new window. So that's a really cool feature if that is what works for you. I probably would not use that because I don't actually use all of these things that are bookmarked here, but if that works for you, it's a handy tip and it's good to know about that. So I hope that was helpful for you and helps you organize and access your links faster and help you achieve more by saving you more time. Thanks for watching this video and let me know if this was helpful to you in the comments below.